Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 5th, 2025, and we're diving into Broadcom's latest earnings report for the second quarter of fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Broadcom has certainly delivered an impressive report this quarter, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Broadcom reported a net revenue of $15 billion for the second quarter, marking a 20% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Broadcom's revenue growth is primarily driven by its semiconductor solutions, particularly in AI networking, which saw a 46% year-over-year increase. This segment alone contributed over $4.4 billion to the revenue. Additionally, their infrastructure software segment also performed well, growing by 25% year-over-year.
And how does this translate into profitability?
On the profitability front, Broadcom's non-GAAP net income reached $7.8 billion, with an adjusted EPS of $1.58, beating the forecast of a 35 from 12 analysts. This reflects their strong operational efficiency and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Broadcom's adjusted EBITDA for the quarter was $10 billion, which is 67% of their revenue. How does this reflect on their operational efficiencies?
This high EBITDA margin indicates Broadcom's robust business model and effective cost management. Their free cash flow also hit a record $6.4 billion, up 44% year-over-year, showcasing their ability to generate cash efficiently.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Broadcom in the next quarter?
Broadcom has provided a strong revenue guidance of approximately $15.8 billion for Q3, with AI semiconductor revenue expected to grow to $5.1 billion. This marks 10 consecutive quarters of growth, driven by continued investments from their hyperscale partners.
Shareholder returns and strategic initiatives. Broadcom has been quite active in returning value to shareholders. Can you elaborate on their recent actions?
Absolutely. Broadcom paid a quarterly dividend of 59 cents per share and repurchased $4.2 billion worth of shares, bringing the total return to shareholders to $7 billion this quarter. This reflects their commitment to returning excess cash to shareholders.
And what about their strategic focus?
Broadcom continues to focus on AI and VMware, with significant investments in AI semiconductor solutions. This strategic focus is expected to drive future growth and maintain their competitive edge in the technology sector.
CFO Insights. Let's hear from the leadership. What insights did the CEO and CFO provide in this report?
CEO Hock Tan highlighted the record revenue driven by AI semiconductor solutions and VMware, with AI revenue growing 46% year-over-year. CFO Kirsten Spears emphasized the strong business model, with adjusted EBIT increasing 35% year-over-year and a record free cash flow of $6.4 billion. They both reiterated their commitment to returning value to shareholders, with $7 billion returned this quarter.
Key takeaways. In summary, Broadcom has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with significant revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic focus on AI and VMware continues to pay off, and their commitment to shareholder returns remains strong. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. Broadcom's performance this quarter certainly sets a positive tone for the future.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Broadcom's performance in the comments below. Until next time.